To enable or disable video recording in photo mode for camera in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, if we open our camera, we'll be able to normally record videos by simply holding this shutter button while we're in the photo mode. So there's no need to enter video recording specifically. If you want to disable this feature, you can click on the four dots right here and go into your camera settings. Now scroll all the way down and find the camera assistant. If you enter this option for the first time, you'll need to download a camera assistant from the Galaxy store. When the download is done, you'll be able to open it, and then we can find the option video recording in photo mode, and you can turn it off. That way, if we now hold a shutter button in the photo mode, it won't begin video recording. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.